What's happening? What's happening? Are you trying to scare them so you can puff up?
Look at that. This guy's puffing up. Look.
He's puffing up.
Yeah, he's scared.
Uh-oh. He's scared of you. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
And look what's
Zippy fish.
right there. Oh.
That's a, yeah, it's like a black fish. This guy's really happy to see you. Oh, that's a big lobster. There's some in there too. Oh, lionfish. Whoa. See that sea cucumber?
Yes.
Very slimy.
Yes, they're mean.
Look at that red guy. Oh, he's crazy.
Oh, look at look. What is
What's
this?
in here? What's hiding in here? Let's see. A wolf eel.
What's the wolf? Oh my gosh, I can see his face.
Oh, look how pretty.
Wait, look at that. That's a. This is called. I forgot what this is called.
Which one?
This one. A bughead fish.
Oh, yeah. Let's go in there. Look what's in here. Be excited to take a boat. Đi bay phần núi luôn.
That is a giant shark.
Step. We're now on a boat.
And now we're ready to go.
Yeah.
But not yet. Some people, a lot of people are coming.
Still waiting for some people, hey?
วันนี้นะคะตั้งสูบน้ำให้ได้จริงๆประมาณ3 ล้านลิตรเลยค่ะแล้วก็เราจะมีคนทั้ง3ระดับด้วยกันนะคะ3 เมตร
And then
And over there you can see diving with the shark soon. If anyone is interested แต่ว่าจะไม่ตามกันเองนะคะจะใช้คุณจุดค่ะแล้วก็ปลากระเบนเนี่ยกระเบนนกกับฉลามสะดาว
there's that sea turtle.
And sea turtle will be on the plankton who is in sea.
It has this macaroni penguin. That's a macaroni. There's a macaroni.
Little seahorse.
Are these ghost pipefish?
Oh yeah, they are.
Ghost pipefish.
Ghost pipefish, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
Why these guys want us to see it?
What's this guy doing?
He's saying the sea urchins. Moving.
This moving.
That's so creepy.
It's creepy.
Wait.
More radio, I think. These ants have a very, very powerful bite.
Ew, look at that cricket.
The ants are coming all the way down. And there's 2 ants right there. And there's 2 all the way down over there. Oh my God, monster ants. Take here.
Whoa.
Wow, so they went a long ways. They went from here to there. I think this is like their home. Amazing. So
Whoa. What is he called?
I think he's a green lizard. Oh, he's looking at us. He's looking at us. Hello, Dinah, there's a scorpion right there. Right here. Right here, look at my finger. Hissing cockroach right here. He's right there.
Did he spin? Which one spins?
Eating. What do you think he's eating?
He ate something.
Eating something?
Yeah, he ate something. Yeah, it's a bone. It's a real dinosaur bone.
What? It's a real dinosaur bone?
Yes. Look, stingray. Stingray. It's Squirtle, y'all. So cute. So cute.
Oh my gosh, so many of them.
It does itself. See, look. Do you want to try some too?
Alcohol? Ah! We got free popcorn. She got some ice cream. And some Coke. That guy scared me.
That's not real.
Are you tickling? I see him. I see him right there.
What is it?
A big snake. What's your handy?
That's sea urchin?
Yes.
Oh my god. Smiling. Looks like he's smiling. Yeah.
What is that? Is that the second
How was it? Was it scary? Was it fun?
It was fun.
It was fun. Did you see any manta rays?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The manta ray one was fun.
Yeah. Oh, emperor penguin is taller than you. You're as tall.
Am I compared to these penguins?
You're as tall as a king penguin.
I'm not a tall. Can you share with me? I'm taller as this.
Go, Diana, go.
real.
Yeah. A little bit.
Can you put a coin inside there?
You hold your gift.